important. So let's talk a little bit about leads, because it doesn't take much to scroll on Insta, socials, Facebook, or any of these sort of places, and you probably see people promising you 100 leads a day, 100,000 leads a week, whatever it might be. And I would suggest that there's probably lots of hype and lots of false promises out there as well. So first and foremost, having an effective marketing strategy is not just about acquiring leads. So if you're sitting there and you see some of this stuff, what can happen is it can have a negative reaction. So it's like, oh, well, maybe I need to be acquiring 100 leads per week, or maybe that's what I need. Now, for many people, if I was to hand you 100 leads in a week, the question would be, what the hell would you do with them? And most people wouldn't have a strategy or a system behind it, or even know where to start. So what it's all about, more importantly, is making sure you attract what we refer to as your ideal client, who is what we call highly qualified. And what that means, they know exactly what problems it is that you solve.